All you need for a beach. All you need for a beach. Aloud, Schertle, and Barbara Lavallee. 1 grain of sand, or like the small seed, 1 tiny grain, that's all you need for a beach. Except for 5 million other grains and 10 million more. Spread them all around on a shady shore. Trillions of grains of sand, and each 1 small piece of your very own beach. Great. One thing more before you're gone. Don't forget to add the sun, or you'll just need 1. Now you got the beach that's hot. You'll need a yellow umbrella, a circle of shade, sunglasses, beach towel, lemonade, a bucket, a shovel, big blue ball, and that's all. Except for the seagulls. Plenty of those in the sky, some making rows of seagulls' tracks where the sand is wet. Wet, you say? How did the sand get there wet that way? A beach needs that's wet and squish, waves rolling and foamy fishy. A beach needs an ocean, sparkly blue, better than that too. Wow, you're through. Sand and sea, sun and shade, buckets and balls, lemonade, fish in the water, birds in the wing. You really need another thing, except for a couple of sails, 3 or 4 whales, pelican fishing. Look out. Waves come wishing to tickle some toes. Toes? Whose toes are those? You know whose those toes. 10 toes belong to you know who. All you need for a beach is you.